Welcome to 5 Cooking Tips with Eggs. These tips will help you elevate your egg game. The first thing that determines the taste of an egg dish is the freshness of the egg. If you're unsure about the freshness of an egg, you can perform a simple water test. If it sinks and lays flat on the bottom, it's fresh. If it stands upright or floats, it's not as fresh and should be used soon or discarded. Peeling a hard-boiled egg can be a daunting task, especially if the shell sticks to the egg. To make peeling eggs a lot easier, add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water before boiling. The baking soda raises the pH level of the egg, making it easier to peel. After boiling, transfer the eggs to an ice bath and let them cool completely before peeling. Poached eggs are delicious, but they can be tricky to make. This tip makes it easy. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with about half cup of water. Crack an egg into the bowl, ensuring it is fully submerged in the water. Cover the bowl and cook on high for about 1 minute. Check the egg, and if needed, continue microwaving in 15-second intervals until the desired level of doneness is achieved. This method is quick, easy, and yields perfect results every time. Accidentally cracking eggshells into your bowl. While cracking eggs can be frustrating, to remove them, use a larger piece of the eggshell to scoop it out. The larger piece of shell acts as a magnet, making it easier to remove any smaller fragments from the bowl. Do you have stale bread that you don't know what to do with? Don't throw it away. Use it to make a delicious breakfast. Beat an egg with a splash of milk and soak the slices of bread in the mixture. Cook them on a buttered skillet over medium heat, just like French toast. This process revitalizes the bread, making it moist, flavorful, and enjoyable to eat. We hope these tips will help you cook like a pro and make your egg meals even better. Do you have any egg hacks you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips. Are you sure you know all about eggs? So a tough question for you today is, do you know what egg this is? Let me know you answer in the comment. See you in the next part of egg tips and tricks with eggs in baking.